how to fix Steam Error Code E84. So the first solution is to delete all of your temporary files on your computer. First of all, go to the search bar and type in run. In this section, you need to enter temp. It will land you on this interface. Select and delete all the files that is available here. You can simply tap on Ctrl and delete. The files will start to delete. Wait for a while. Well, the file has been deleted successfully. Now the next thing you want to do is go back and in the search bar, head over to settings on your device. Move into date and time. Here you need to make sure that the date and time is set to automatic. After doing this, what you want to do is click on sync now. This might fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing this issue, then what you want to do is you can simply restart your device again and again. Restarting your device might fix the issue that you have been facing on Steam, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to fix Steam Error Code E84. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it in the comment section below. And thank you for staying with us till the end.